Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to piece out a whole chicken. This is a chicken we have raised here on the farm. First thing I'm going to do is cut the flap of skin holding the legs. Then we will kind of pull the legs apart like this. Okay. On your chicken there is the keel bone, which is a bone right here down the center. You take your knife and you run it right down the bone on both sides. Then you take it down the front here along the wishbone, which goes along the neck. Okay, it's easier to do this to carve out the breast a little bit when it's all together and you don't have the legs off of it because it's more stable. So next we're going to cut off the legs. To cut off the legs, you cut the skin between the leg and the breast meat. And you'll see it start to pull away. My chicken's still slightly frozen, which makes it a little easier. Okay, once you cut that skin, you can then really pry and press the legs open so you can find the joints. So next you cut here along the tail or the pelvis area, and you cut between the joints here on the leg and through the skin right along the back. So there is a thigh and a leg on one side. Here again, you cut between the skin and the meat, along the back, through the joint. It's kind of odd because I'm trying to show you how to do it through the camera and not towards me. Okay, then you have another leg and thigh. You're gonna do similar for the wings. Spread them apart. You can see on the wings, the line, the joint right here between the wing muscles and the breast. You just cut right along that line all the way around. And you should cut right through the joint when you do that. So now here is the drummet of the wing and the wing bow. I already have the wing tips cut off. I don't save those. We'll do the other side again. You cut right along, I guess you would say, the armpit of the chicken. If you need to, you can kind of crack it a little bit too and pull it out of the joint like we did the legs. There, so now we have the wings off. Next we're going to work on the breasts. Here you can see as it falls away, this is the breast meat and this is what is the tenderloin of a chicken. So we're going to continue to just follow the rib cage with your knife and it'll come right off. So again, here is the tenderloin and then the breast meat. As you can kind of see on this side, I cut right along this line that's right here, and that's right along the rib cage. So again, just follow the rib cage down, and then you can kind of pick it up and stick your knife through right where that line is. There, now we have most of the meat off. You can make chicken broth with what's left of the rib cage or chicken soup. So we've got the breasts, tenderloin. Okay, so now we're going to cut the thigh and leg apart. You can see that there's a line, a tendon line right here between the wing and the thigh. If you cut right on that tendon line, you should cut right between the bone. So again, we have the leg separate from the thigh now. And again here, there's a tendon line right through there. Sometimes you hit the right spot, sometimes you don't. There. Wings, thighs. Okay, same with the wing here. Oh, I'm sorry, that was a wing and thigh. Thigh and drumstick. Here's the wing. We're gonna separate the wing drummet from the wing bow. These are a little harder to do than the legs. You can cut right down the center here, and then again, you can kind of see the muscle right there. If you cut right along there, you should hit right where the bone is, right between the joint there. So then you have the drummet and the wing bow. We'll try it again on this one. So again, follow the muscle right around here. And then you'll separate them. So here are all our pieces. Thighs, legs, and the breast, tenderloin, and the rib cage. Thank you for watching.